Hello, I'm Ouviña. Welcome to my second video. This time I'm going to show you how I've made a refurbished storage card reader with a new wooden case. I had over there an old reader whose shell was completely broken, so I took it apart and keep only the electronics. First I measured the length and width of the reader. Then I cut two pieces out of a 1mm samba wood board. Samba wood is tougher than balsa wood, but you can easily cut it with utility knives or X-Acto blades. You can find samba wood in model making shops. Then I glued the top and bottom part of the reader using soft PVA, in case I have to recover the electronics in the future. The USB connector is located in one side, so I cut a piece of wood matching the measure of the reader and push it onto the wood to mark the position of the connector. Then I cut a slot for it and glued it using super glue. Next, I drill a hole for the LED using a thin bit. Next was the turn for the other side. Same process: measure, cut, glue and sand. The two remaining sides, the front and the back, were a little bit more difficult, as I had to cut the slots for the cards. A caliper is very useful for taking precise measures and even for marking pieces of wood. Cutting through this delicate wood is tricky, so I recommend going very easy and using under it an styrene board or any soft material you can easily punch. I usually make first the cuts that are perpendicular to the veins and then the cuts that follow them. My cat approves this work method. The back of the reader has 5 different slots, some for card types that I have never seen, so I decide to use only 2 of them, the SD and the micro SD. Same as before, I measured, marked, cut and glued the piece and then give a general sanding to the whole case. Finally, I add a little house made out of the same wood. If you'd like to see more of the little houses I make, please visit my webpage. You'll see the link in the description below. And here is the result. If you like this video and want to see more of my little creations, please subscribe. Thanks.